Hi guys, it's Melissa from Creative, Frugal, and Fun, and today's video is kind of a silly one. It's 5 things that I don't like that other people do in 5 minutes. I only have 5 minutes right now, so this is going to be great for me, and I got the inspiration for this from Samantha at Happily a Housewife. So if you have not checked out her channel, be sure and do that. She's great, organized, but she also tries to keep things really real. So she's great. So let me just get started because I don't have long. So the first thing that people really like that I don't is shoes. I am not a shoe shopper. I do not have a collection of shoes. I see all these shows where people have these huge closets and things, 45 pairs of shoes, and spend hundreds of dollars on shoes. I've never been that way. Right now, I have 3 pairs of shoes. One of them I wear all the time because I have foot issues. And then I have 2 other that are more dressy shoes. But that's what I have. I've never been into it. In high school, I'm sure I had several different kinds of heels and things because I went to dances and whatnot, but it's just not my thing. Okay, second thing I am not into that other people are, Bath and Body Works. Okay, people love Bath and Body Works. They love the clearance sales. They love to go. They love the candles. They love all those things. My daughter even really loves it. And I went to their big clearance and got her some body sprays to put on for school every day. But I am just not into it. I think they're overpriced. Don't hate me for that, but I used to have a candle business where I sold candles. So I have a ton of candles and I just don't really need any more candles. And now I use the wax melt. So Bath and Body Works, another one, not my thing. The next one, planners. Okay. So there's all these people out there that do all these fancy planner things, and they have the happy planner and they put the stickers in and they do this and that. Do you want to see my planner? This is my planner, okay? And it's an old planner that I didn't use, and so I just cross out whatever the date is up here. Now, this is a rotten looking page. This is a better page. But I make a list of what I need to do. That's my planner. I don't need stickers and a calendar and themes and all these things. It's just not my thing. So another thing that's not my thing. Okay, let's see. Fourth thing that is not my thing. I am not into excess. Now I have to clarify this. I like to have nice things. I also like to bargain shop. So recently I was somewhere, which I'll talk about in just a minute as my fifth thing. I was somewhere and everywhere around me was just excess. It was just buy this and do that and you need this and you must have that and it just really made me uncomfortable because I like to have money in the bank and know that I can pay my bills. And yeah, I go to the dollar store and I buy stuff there that I don't need. But I've never understood people that can go out and just, buy a $5 million house or a $60,000 car or things like that. It's just not my thing. I like the thrill of the hunt. I like to get the best deal that I can. And when I need to buy something nicer, I will, but it's not my thing. Okay, the final thing that I do not like, Disney. Now, this is ironic because I grew up about 10 miles from Disneyland. And I actually worked at a hotel after high school, doing a bunch of administrative stuff across the street from Disneyland. And I went multiple times a year with my family to Disneyland. And my mom would come in and she'd say, it's Saturday, it's Disneyland Day. And she'd surprise us and we'd go. And it's not that I have bad memories there, but I know so many people that love Disney. They have Disney Christmas trees, Disney this, Disney that, Disney weddings, Disney everything. And it's just really not my thing. I don't think Mickey's that cute. Yeah, someday I'll take my kids, but my kids are teenagers and they've never even been. And I know that horrifies people and they're shocked, but Disney just isn't my thing. So That is 5 things in 5 minutes that I don't like that other people do. So if you like these kind of videos, please hit subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if there's 5 things that you don't like that other people do. And if you decide to do a video like this, please put your link down below so I can watch it. So until next time, make it a great day. Bye.